Namaste student. Today we are going to see about CSV file. Before we are going to CSV file, now we want to know about the file. Already I told you what do you mean by file? File is a collection of stream or bytes. File can be divided into two types. So flat file and CSV file. What do you mean by flat file? A flat file is a file that stores the data in a plain text file. Each line of the text file holds one record with the fields separated by the delimiters. Already I told you text file is container, each line end with a delimiter. While it uses a simple structure, the flat file database cannot be contain multiple tables. Now I am going to explain about CSV file. The expansion of CSV is comma separated value. The CSV file is a plain text file that contains a list of data. These files are often used for exchanging data between different applications. For example, the database and contact manager of CSV file we can be support. CSV file sometimes is called as a character separated value or comma delimited value. This mostly used the comma character to separate the data, but sometimes use another characters like semicolons. The idea is that you can be export the complex data from one application to a CSV file and then import data in a CSV file into another application. We will now discuss about the CSV file. CSV is a simple file format. It is used to data in the tabular form such as spreadsheet or database. Files in the CSV format can be imported to and export from the program that store the data in tables like MS Excel or OpenOffice Calc like that. CSV stands for comma separated value. A comma separated value file is delimited text file that uses comma separated values. Because we want to add one or more fields, we are using to the comma operators. Each line of the file is a record. Each record is consists of one or more fields. Field another name is called as a column. So heading of the each table it is called as a column or attribute. Each line of the data is called as a tuple. Already we know about in SQL. The use of comma as a field separator is the source of name of the file format. How to use CSV file in our Python program? First of all, you perform read or write operation with a CSV file. We must import CSV module. So already we know about the module is nothing but is a function. It is CSV is a inbuilt functions. It is available in our Python program. So after that we import the module. Normally how to open a file in text file or binary file? Using to the open method or open function we use to open a file and using based on the file pointer. Reading from CSV file, first you have to import the CSV module and then you can use the open function to open a CSV file using to the file pointer, then pass the file pointer to the reader object and perform the operation. This is an example program for reading from CSV file. First step you have to see the program, import CSV. Then next using to the open method, open myfile.csv. The extension of file is a CSV. As a CSV file, this is a file pointer. The next thing is already I told you CSV file you want to open using to the reader. So my reader as an object is used to csv.reader is a keyword. You can open the CSV file. End with the delimiter is a comma because already we know about CSV is a comma separated values. Now we want to print so percentage of 10s. The percentage of 10s is nothing but we have to leave the space for the given data. For employee number, so employee number we allocate the 10 spaces. Again 20 spaces, percentage of 20 years. It is a manipulation operator. It is used for output alignment. Next we are allocating 20 space for employee name. Again we allocate 10 space for salary. So I am using to the for loop for row in MyReader to print the row value. Row of 0 is nothing but is a employee number. Row of 1 is the employee name and row of 2 is the salary. So see the output of the given program. In this given example program, the first line is import CSV model. This is necessary to perform the operation of CSV file. The second line is to open a file to read using with block. This block will be ensure open the file will be closed automatically. After this block, even in case of runtime error also. The third line to create reader object to perform the read operation of the CSV file. The first parameter is the name of the CSV file and the second parameter is a delimiter. That is on what basis value of different fields to read. By default it is a comma. So this is optional. If not given it will be a default comma. However, if any other character is used in file, then we must specify this. MyReader will become a CSV reader object to read a CSV file. Fourth line, this is a format string to specify width of each column so that the output appear properly aligned in their width. Here percentage of 10s means 10 space for employee number and so on. This is helpful in printing output in formatting way. So here I am assigning 20 space for employee name and 10 space for salary also. The sixth line, this line is used to read each row from file one by one and store in row variable. That is all the comma separated values will be separated in row in different index. In 7th line, this line is simply printing all the values in row variable by specifying index. That is index 0 will be for 1, index 1 for Amit, index 2 for 6000. Here also we used to same width for heading so that both the heading and data are aligned properly. Here you can see the output is properly aligned in the assigned width.